Hi, Shikha. A beautiful good morning. Yes, I am well. What about you?
Yes, I'm also fit and fine. Okay,
Okay. Nice to listen this. You are fantastic. You are fine.
thank you.
Yeah. So, how are you doing today? And how are you feeling now?
Now feeling good.
Okay. So now you are present in your school.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
What are you doing now?
Yeah. Right now, just I am sitting and talking to you. I have no any special work. Just I have to teach, and after that, I have to make video whole day,
Okay,
and I have to study. Yes.
okay, nice, nice.
Yeah. So tell me something. Do you have today any special plan, or do you want to do something like any special work today?
No, not even like that. Yeah, but I have to do some work, some official work, I can say. Yeah. That's all.
Okay, yeah. Related to your school.
My school and dance, so that's I have to do after schooling.
Okay, okay, yes, good. Yeah, because now our network connection is good because now we can talk clearly and we can see properly. Yeah, so that's why I thought, yeah, now we should make one video on Skype and we can upload. Yes.
But I don't.
Yes, because whenever you present in your school, so that time our connection is good. But whenever you present at your home, so that time we face many problems while talking because sometimes we can't listen properly, sometimes we can't see our face each other properly. So it happens.
Yeah, it happens due to some network
Yeah.
issue. I think.
So by the way, how is temperature today in your side?
Actually, the weather is very fine and it is cool today, so we are feeling good.
Okay, but in your side it is cool, but in my side it's too hot. It's
Oh,
opposite.
okay,
It's totally opposite. Yeah.
okay, awesome. Today we are feeling good.
Okay, yeah, but now I'm feeling so hot because our temperature is so high, so that's why I'm feeling hot. And right now I am present on my second floor, so I'm
Oh,
getting, yes, I'm getting too much hot.
too much hot.
Yeah, only for talking to you, I came on my second floor, and after that, I will go in my room and I will take rest. Yes, and I will edit my video and I will upload. Yes. So I think today, like we have no any special question, a special topic. So just please ask some question.
So I'm gonna to ask you, like COVID situation. So have you got injected your first dose of vaccine?
Oh, my first vaccine. No,
Yeah.
still I didn't. Yeah, still I didn't get my first vaccine. Yeah, but I am thinking that I will take because today my health is not good. Today I am feeling like like coldness and like fever, and yeah, today I'm not feeling good. So that's why today I took like in the morning time chicken. I took chicken in my breakfast, and I thought, yeah, because now I need take like hot food and like tasty and spicy food. Yeah, so that's why I took chicken in my breakfast, and yeah. So when I will feel like healthy or energetic after 2 days, yeah, it's like normal. It's not a big disease. Yeah, but when I feel normal or good health, so after 2 or 3 days, I will take vaccine. Because nowadays I am doing a lot of hard work also with my father sometimes in the farm.
Right, right.
Yeah, so that's why, yeah, because yeah, we need to go outside. So if I will go outside and if I will work with my father in the farm and if I will take vaccine, so
Yes,
it will be really tough. Yeah, and this will be not good for health
yes, right.
because yeah,
Yeah,
because
but
we have got,
it will be fine
yeah,
that you
yes,
injected.
yes.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, because because I have got many news from people after taking vaccine, you need to like take a rest. Don't do like a lot of hard work. And if you go like, especially if you go outside in the farm, and if you are getting too much temperature on directly on your body, and you have no like any shadow, okay, and yeah, so there, yeah, there, it will affect too much on your body. So
Yes,
yes.
you can say that because I also got injected my first dose. So after that, 2 days continuously I had fever and some weakness, but after that I was fine. So just use just take some precaution, and after that you will go.
Yeah, so
Benefit.
I am thinking,
Yeah, yeah.
yes, yes. Yeah, so I'm thinking that after completing my all works, like after 5 or 4 days, yeah, all
Start
work
with
will
work.
be done. Yes, all work will be done. And after that, I will take vaccine, and I will try to take rest like continuously 3 or 4 days. And after that, when I will feel like yeah, fully perfectly good, so that time I will start my work. Yes.
Yes, it's not necessary. It's not.
Yeah, because I am already because I am already thin person, so I'm not like too much fat. So if I will do a lot of hard work after taking vaccine, so it will be really tough and a big problem.
Don't think so. Okay, don't worry.
Yes, yes,
Okay, because I also told you overthinking gives us some bad impact. Okay, so don't think so much about this. Just wait for your health. Yeah, whenever you feel good and your health will be fine. So just you should take your vaccine.
yes. You are right. Yeah, so yes,
I think it's very crucial nowadays, and we had no any other option rather than this vaccine. So we
yes,
should
yes.
do.
Yeah, because we don't know about our government, what will happen after few months, after few days. Because if we don't take vaccine, so yeah, so in our future, what will happen? Because we don't know. So we should take vaccine, and vaccine is also good for our health. So we should take. Yeah, because now it's free for everyone. Then we should take. And after that, yeah, after few months, after few days, I think if we don't take vaccine, so we will have to pay money, so it will be really tough.
So you should take advantage. Otherwise, you just lost it. Right.
Yes, yeah,
Your humor is also going good. You think about every minute things in a different way, and when
yeah,
it is, you will go for this. Right. Nice,
yes.
nice. So, tell me what is in your side nowadays going?
What?
In your side, which type of condition is going? The COVID situation is
Yeah,
better,
now,
and the
yeah,
people are,
now.
yeah, tell.
Yeah, nowadays everything is good, and we are feeling good, but we are not feeling like comfortable, and not like romantic and happy, because just we have to stay at home, and we are feeling boring because we have no any special work. Yeah, just we are passing our time. Yeah, so that's why I'm not feeling good, because I am a student, and especially I don't wanna take rest whole day if I have no any study. Yeah, if I have no any special plan, a special work, so that day I feel totally boring. So nowadays I want to attend my university. I want to attend my institute. Yes, and there I want to study. Yeah, so I don't know when our institute and college and everything will be reopened. I don't know.
Okay. So now I have one question. What you want to do first whenever you just free for doing like that? Your COVID situation will be fine and the lockdown will be end. So what the first thing you want to do? You could just go for that.
Okay, yeah, it's really nice question for me. Yeah, after reviewing COVID-19, and after becoming like perfect situation, everything will be fine. Yeah. So that time I have planned, because firstly I will take admission in BA, and after taking admission I have to just go to Patna for higher education. Yes, because there I have to join institute for English, only for English, and I have to preparation for my exam like BA English honors, because in my life I wanna be English lecturer. So yeah, so I want to preparation. I want to start preparing for from a starting time because it will be really good if I will start my preparation from my first from my first from my first first year from my first year, yeah. So it will be really good for me because I
Hmm.
don't want to waste my time. Because many students they think now we are a student of first year in BA, we are studying in first year, so we can join in second year, we can join in third year. So it's not like that. I wanna join my institute from my starting time. Yes. So it will be really helpful for me and useful, and I can gain too much knowledge, too much education about my subject, and I will be able to cover my all subjects very well, and so that I can get good marks in my exam. So it's
Yeah,
really good. Yes.
mission. Right.
You know, because because I have already wasted my 2 years time. Okay.
Oh,
Yeah. So yeah. So again, I don't want to waste my time because because that time I wasted my time too much. Yeah. But now I don't want to waste my time even 1 month or 1 day or 2 days. Yeah. Because I have to take advantage of every day.
oh, okay, tell me, in which year did you pass out your inter examination?
Yeah. In this year, I completed my intermediate.
In this year.
Yeah.
Okay. So why are you telling that you just wasted your 2 year? I think
Yeah, I wasted my 2 years not in this year. When I was a student of 10th class. So at that time, I applied for my exam, for my registration. For board exam, because before appearing in the exam, before getting admit card, before getting admit card, we apply for registration. Okay, registration for exam. Yeah. So that time, I applied that form, and after that, I went to Haryana, to my brother, because my brothers are businessmen, so they live in Haryana. So that time, I went to my brothers, my elder brothers, and there, my all brothers, they were telling to me, Anil, what are you doing? This is not good for you, and yeah, and if you don't go to your home, if you don't start your study, then in your life I think you can't be successful person, and you can't earn too much money like another people. Yeah, so you should try to do a study more and more, because we didn't complete our study because of lack of money. But now all brothers are giving too much money for you, so you should take advantage of money. But that time I didn't understand the point of my elder brothers, and that time I didn't follow. Okay. So that time, but after 2 years, there was one guy, and he told to my elder brothers about me. Your brother has no power to study, and your brother is not able to start again a study, and he can't become successful person, and he can't do anything, especially in education field. Even he can start any business. Yeah, but he has no ability, he has no capacity to start a study, and he can't become anything, like he can't get any position in education field. So that time my elder brother, he got too much angry on that person, and that time my elder brother, he told me, Anil, today if you wanna start your study, then go to home and start your study, and today you have to show your power, today you have to show your talent to that person. Yeah, so that's why, that day my brother, he took me in private school in Haryana, and there he took me there, and he told me, if you want to take admission in this school. But that time, the principal of that school, he told me, if you want to take admission in this school, so you will have to take admission in ninth class. Okay. But that time I wanted to, that time I wanted to participate in, like 10th class exam. Okay. That time I wanted to appear in 10th class board exam. So that time my brother told me, you will have to wait for 2 years. You have already wasted your two years time. So now you should go to Bihar, and you can apply, and you can tell to your teacher about your all problems, and if you give money, then everything is possible. So that time I came to Bihar, I came at my home, and I went to my college, and after that I gave 2,200 money to my sir, to my teacher, to my class teacher, and he told me, okay, no problem, after 1 or 2 days you can get your, form, and I will apply for your registration, and you can participate in exam in this year. So so that time I participated in my exam and I completed my 10th exam. And after that, continuously I am studying. Okay, so 2 years I have wasted. Before intermediate. Yes, not now. Yes, not now.
Your decision was right. Yeah, study is very crucial in our role in our life because without study and without any degree, so I think this is little bit difficult for you to survive and to get any job. So that was really nice decision for you. And whatever you did, okay, that was okay. You also, I think, got some experience from there.
Yeah, some
So
experience. Yes.
you
Yeah, I
also,
know.
yes.
Whenever I think about my past, what did I do in my past? So I only think, okay, no problem. Whatever I did in my past, no problem. Yeah, it doesn't matter. The matter is that I have got some experience and I have got some direction. And but now, but from today, I have to not waste my time. And I have not completed my whole life. Okay, because now I have to live for a long life. Yeah.
Right.
So so from now, if I will improve my life, if I will change my if I will change my path, and if I will try to walk on the right path, and definitely I will not try. I have to walk on the right path because from today I have to not waste my time, and I have to make my bright future. So definitely I can do anything. Today, because today I have also power, and today I am a student of BA because now I'm going to take admission in BA. So if I will study properly and with concentration, then I can do anything, and I can become English lecturer, and one day I will show the power of that person, and he will see my power. What's my capacity?
You know, this is also it's a important part of our life because the people who always demotivate and who always just think just negative things
Yeah, negative.
saying
Yes.
saying to us, so that time also we realize and we just improve ourselves. This is not bad
Ourselves.
thing.
Yes.
This is
Yes.
not bad. Always learn from them. Okay, whatever they are saying. So what we do? Okay, so we have to do this, and we just mend these habits. These habits. That's okay because I want to say you one line in one Doha line in Hindi or
Yes.
you
Yes.
can
Yeah.
yeah that is means निंदक नियरे राखी आंगन कुटी छवाए means if the people who are demotivated you every time, so you just keep them near, very close to
Yeah.
you, and they mend your habit, and always they whatever they are doing, whatever they are saying, so you just improve yourself very very properly manner. So that's not good. That's not good. And due to the, I think that was the one reason now you are here and you are learning, you are doing many things, so you just grateful for that person.
Yes, 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 yes. And sometimes I also think, that person he did good for me because he tried to improve my life. And if he didn't till like this, then today I would be not on this position, and I will not start my study again. Yeah. So he did good work for me, and
He
whatever
started
he told.
gives us inside motivation to do many things. So
Yes,
just
yes.
appreciate them always.
Yeah, and we should. And if people yes, if people are criticizing about you and they are trying to demotivate you, they are trying to pull your legs, so it's really good. Yeah, never
Right.
think like this. Yeah, they are doing bad work for you. No, they are making you strong. Yeah, they
Yes.
are suggesting. Yes.
Yes.
They are, they are sending you some message to improve and to improve your life again. Yeah, so it's really good.
Really.
Because now I'm talking to you. So if I will say something about your English, and if I will try to criticize, if I will try to correct you, even if I will try to demotivate you, so it doesn't matter. But don't take this point, but don't take this point in negative way. Just you have to take this point in positive way. And if you work on my point, then definitely you can improve better than me, and you can become better than me, and one day you can show me. So always, if anyone is trying to demotivate you and criticizing you, like, whatever he wants to speak about you, no problem, let him speak. Okay, but just you have to focus on your target, just you have to focus on your life.
Yeah.
You have to think about yourself, and you have to improve. What should I do now, and how can I become better than him? Yes.
I also watched one video of one guy, and she was a YouTuber, good YouTuber, nowadays. So she told me, means she just asking in that video, just like, means whenever I started and the initial times, many people demotivated me. I mean, many people just sent me SMS like that. Why are you doing this? This means, why are you going on live classes? She also saying that. So when she thought, maybe I was wrong. I don't know whatever I was doing, but I was never stop my work, and I just keep it. And nowadays my follower is more than these people's. They are also some YouTubers, but my follower is very above than them. So that is my power, what I did and what I am now. So I just realized, right. What we are doing, never stop that, just keep it up.
Yes,
Okay.
yeah. Always be continue. Always be continue with your work, and one day everything will be done, and everything will be fulfilled, and everything will be completed.
Yes, right. Okay.
Yes. Yeah, so Sikha, by the way, this is really nice and wonderful. And today, I think, this is really like, so super conversation than before, because we have never talked like this. And this conversation will be so super. Okay.
Okay,
So
okay.
nice to talk with you. And I'm so happy because you have given me a golden chance to me. And today you talked with me. So it's really helpful for me and good for me. Okay, Sikha. So bye. Goodbye. Have a nice day.